In his conversation with media persons recently, the State BJP President Earnest Mawrie had informed on the status of the party as far as the candidature to the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections of 2023 is concerned. Mawrie informed that the State BJP has already accepted applications of over 50 candidates, while a final selection of all of them will be decided by the central leadership of the party.
According to the direction which has come from the center, we have to fill the candidate all 60 seats. And as today, already we have 50 plus, only few constituencies left. We call Mandal Committee to be constituted, like Malim, Sora, then Sijurongra, then we have enjoy like this Raliang, not Raliang, Mohiao, and Nartiang. So few constituencies left where we have not yet constituted the Mandal Committee. Because it is the organization, we have to have the Mandal Committee, full-fledged Mandal Committee. We have to have the polling booth committee. Suppose if we have 50 numbers of polling booth, we have to have a committee. We have to complete 80%, then we can declare that constituency, yes, the party organization is there, then we are ready for the election. That is the process. See, till today, we have not allowed ticket to anybody. We have the aspirant candidate. Example like in 17 North, we have 2 aspirant candidates. In Nongpo, we have 3 aspirant candidates. And in Garo Hills, like in Bandraganj, we have 5 candidates. So now people want to contest from our party. So now all these aspirant candidates, they are working with the Mandal Committee, and the ticket will be allotted from the center. They will take a decision with so many formalities. It's our duty to, from our State Election Committee, to receive all the application scrutiny and send to Delhi, and the Central Parliamentary Committee will take a final call.